Shame on federal government college. I repeat, shame on federal government college. Make una not ask me why I start this thing like this, so I dey vex. Yes, and this is my anger. You understand? I dey vex, serious vex. My people, if una see, hey, in fact, I need to look for another name. If una saw wetin I saw it. Yeah. Hey, parents don't go now. As me and you they talk, as soon as they listen to me, parents don't go complain to the educational minister. Why? Because of the condition of the school. Jesus. If you not see, no, this one, forget them. I know they exaggerate. I know they exaggerate. The thing where I see, he reached to person to choke. In fact, he choked me. A whole federal government college. Now the parents don't complain. Say they say, Madam Aproko, if you see how these children they suffer, they say their school, it be like, I don't understand. Say no different. In fact, prisoners school toilet. I say school toilet. Prisoners toilet. Even better pass these people's school toilets. They say full with maggots, and that's so they live. Say prisoners even better. I beg, I don't want to waste on time. You understand? I bring them because I want make una use una eye. See ya. You know, not to say I don't overdo. Oh yeah, put the video, not then watch.
How do you go?
This is the toilet.
Tofiakwa. Hey, Jesus. Hey. Wait, now the thing una see students, toilets. I'm not to say prisoners. I'm not to say village. I bet which people worst? Animals. I'm not to say animals toilet too. This one are human being. The way me and you they breathe, we get eye, we get yes. Now people like that they use the toilet when I just watch. Many prisoners. For in fact, outside Nigeria, many prisoners, their toilets have even good past federal government schools for this country. Even prisoners serve, no matter the offense where they commit, they don't deserve this kind of toilet. Which kind of abomination? In fact, this one I'm disappointed. Are they super extra disappointed? Every senior government staff made a sack there. Senior government staff, if you know, I beg, I know they smile. Oh. May they begin to sack them because now they chop this money. We know they see what are they doing with the money. Only to chop. Wait till now they use money to see students toilet. You know they imagine the amount of money where parents go they use on drugs. Yes, to prevent infection. And those that already have infection. And you know the damage for the female ones now. Now even they talk about first. The female ones, you know the damage where go cause people womb. If you never go through toilet infection, you know go get what they talk about. I don't suffer. Now why the thing they pay me? And this, if you know they careful with the damage. Because this one are students. Some of them before you know now they don't forget. Months go past, the thing they grow. Before you don't boom, you don't become another issue. Which kind of level of wickedness be this one? Which kind of level? No, I mean, what do we do to you people now? What do we do to you now? Now, maybe person just tell me I don't understand. If I tell you, say these people no like una matter. Now this say they put una against each other. They no like una. As simple as una they hear am. Where the children dey? You don't know they abroad. Very conducive environment. In fact, the school where their children dey, their toilet. That toilet see they fit even serve and put food make person chop. For no, just imagine how neat, how clean, and how excellent their toilet be. But see, they don't care. Why? Because they don't get any business to do with. We are not understand. They don't have any business with you people. They don't get any business with this school. The only thing where they know, once they don't cash out, boom, their children go collect, family members go collect. Now the only thing Which government? Abi which governor pikin you don't see for your school? Okay, except if one of the biggest school for Nigeria, even that one say we hard. It is hard. It is that these people, they know what they are doing. The part of this whole thing where they pay me now be say, tomorrow, you see tomorrow, we will go line up under sun. We are going to vote for governor, this one. We are going, they are the best. Now the only pay we are get. All this thing, in fact, the way this thing they pay me pass this toilet when I watch. The fact say una go even go vote again. Now that one, it dislocate my medulla oblongata, like it pieces. Make I see una. No, go vote. Go vote for these same people. See condition where they put in inside. And they should say before they do this one, before this person enters it, I promise I will break down this school, rebuild it, I will change. They don't promise una heaven and earth. Bam. It be like man where Gundus one come. They go promise una heaven and earth. When they finish now, una eye go clear. No, go vote. Oh. I give una go ahead. No use una head. See where people they stay. I beg. Una need help me share this video. Because these people need to know that there is fire in this mountain. They need no say children, students, people picking, they there. The first say their children no they no me say other people go come die. I beg, help me share this video. Government need to do something concerning this one. Bia, I beg, federal government college need say Anambra State now they talk to specifically because do something concerning this school. Very, very important. Anambra State governor, you they hear me like this, so I no go talk past this one. My people, I don't bring a call as they say make a deliver. Waiting on a gas talk and make una no forget help me share this video. I want to see you in a comment for that comment section and don't forget click on that notification bell. If not, you're not going to get anything where I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story. Madam Zainab Ahmed, Minister of Boroboro, yes, she don't come bring us the latest one now. And according to Ram, he say federal government don't talk say as part of measures to cut the cost of governance in this Nigeria. They don't direct the national, listen, no, they direct the national salaries, national income, wages, waiting, and commission to review salaries of civil servants and some federal agencies. In case English too hard for you, the way it hard for me, I go break that. Now, as soon as they listen to me, federal government, they don't make decision, they don't plan, they don't sit down now, do meeting. Because of the things where they happen for this Nigeria, they say they supposed cut down costs of governance. So now, the best places where they see to reduce salary, my people, they don't slash salary here. I think so that one even the correct one, we will not understand very well. They have slashed people's salaries because of this cost of governance. And guess from who? Civil servants and some federal agencies. You know, when I first hear this thing, I said, thank God, they don't finally hear us. They don't hear our prayer. No, how many of you, me too, I talk. I say, for this to work better, not be just by coming outside, they talk. May they cut down government work, what did they call them? Sorry, all the people, politicians, may they reduce their salary because it's too much. I think say they don't hear us, my people. Just for me to hear say, nah, civil servants. And this matter for now, we no know. Now ICPC organize them for Abuja. I don't even know where to even start. I not just know. No, una hear what I talk at all. Abi una need make I even take them back again. They go slash salary, government workers. How much these people they earn? I beg, how much these people they earn? Una leave all the armed robbers where the National Assembly, una they go target government workers. Some of these government workers they earn 25,000 naira. You want slash on top. Like I know the bab. I know like you know the I always they talk this thing. Nigeria problem. Nigeria problem no be the kind problem we una dey think. Una direction no be the direction where this problem they come from. I beg. All those senates, all of them, na them be the. In fact, you don't understand. Hey, as it is now, I don't see none of them get head. I know they see head for any. You know, I don't understand. Why would I not fit start from the presidency? No, why would I not fit start from the presidency at the ass? All those executives and legislatures and big grammar titles and things. Why would I not start from all those ones? Okay, those ones, they are untouchable. Their salaries are, you don't understand. By the time we slash those ones, we can proceed. Yes, nobody go argue. And that is if truly they go even touch them. That is if truly they go touch them, because we know them. Like all of them, they bear the same name, like Mohammed. Obviously, my people, madness. You see madness? Madness they inside water what these people they drink. Because I not just understand how you go wake up. You know, even not get conscience, no pity at all. Okay, imagine person, now even say some of them save 20,000 naira. You get family. Your children, they go school. You, I bet me will try reason some kind of things now. Like, can we reason? These people always they rejoice when they make Nigerians they suffer. Like when they happy, anytime when you they say, help me, oh, this one have died, this one have fainted. Like, I don't know, you get this joy where they come from these people. Small salary. My people. Last, now we just hear some people don't they die of hunger. No be swear. Some people go start to die of hunger because okay, fine. How much be a bag of rice? Bags are even too expensive for civil servants. Some of them. How much be cup of rice? Onions they go increase. Oil before you know it, the same oil where you they buy before you know if you buy again. Salt, even salt. Now you know if you buy salt again. All those things, they go increase and person go feed all in family members. Let's say they be 7 for house. Now you can't imagine the kind how they go they feed, how they go the transportation still they inside that matter. I beg. See, I don't know who I go even direct this thing to, but we need help. I don't know how we go do this thing, but this thing must not take place. Lie. This is bad. Una live una say, these our politicians, apart from salary where they collect, they get allowance. But that's say una never know. The allowance alone, if you pay how many people their salary, only allowance, and never even enter their own salary, then imagine. And tell me whether this thing now no be wickedness. Tell me say this thing a good thing. They have good hearts. Make person tell me. I beg, I dey feel for these people. Be cool. Because as it be now, you they watch me. You need take action because you don't even know whether person where they go slash now from your family member. You don't know whether you understand. I beg, may we help each other. Person not supposed to be your family member before you show concern. Very, very important. I beg, make una help me share this video because everybody must hear the latest one where they happen. And yes, una go get new presenter for this platform. And guess who she be and where she's from? I go give una the tip of where she they come from. Now from the Southeast states. Yes, so anyone where you they think of, just drop for that comment section. And I still want to know what they think concerning this matter. Still drop them for the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell so that you don't go miss interesting matters like this one. Share this video, don't forget. Stay tuned for our next story.